Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you found the time to click on this video, I appreciate you. Hopefully you stay a while and vibe with me, walk through this comb over with me. All right, I got a gentleman in my chair. We're gonna prep his hair with some water. We're gonna get it saturated with water. Make sure it's very saturated. And I've been really working on my shear work lately. Trying to get my sectioning down, the control of the hair, getting better with my comb and my shears. But it's a part of the game, man, and I love the game. I truly love the game. What y'all been up to out there, man? Y'all been putting that work in, other barbers? All right, so now we section off the top. I edited it out obviously, but I section off the top, and now I'm working on my sides. Just trying to get his hair to a desired length on the sides, so I can eventually tie it into the top. So I'm just working my way around the ridge of his head, one section at a time. Again, man, just trying to get better with my shears, man. Trying to get better with my shears. My goal is to do entire haircuts with just comb and shear. But we'll get there though. We're gonna put the work in. We're gonna get there. So I'm just following my guideline, man. One section at a time, working my way around the head. And usually once I get to the back, I usually go to like the middle, then I start cross-sectioning to give it that nice feathery look in the back. Now I'm on the top, so now we're working off. We're trying to find my length that I'm looking for, that I want to give that nice pompadour comb over kind of look. And we just working it one section at a time. Making sure our sections are clean, our parting is clean, and just oh, I just lost the comb. I got another comb, back at it. Now I'm kind of combing that hair over into the side. So I'm trying to connect the top to the side of the ridge so everything blends together nicely. Because he usually styles it to that side, so I want to make sure that hair blends and feathers in nicely to the side. So I'm just going through nicely and just tying it together. And I'm combing it different ways, you know, on a multiple different times to just see how it lays. Now I'm gonna attack the other side of the head. This guy he let his hair grow very long. Okay, when I get back to the crown of his head, that's my guideline for bringing it to the top. So I use the back crown where I left off when I went around the sides of the head to tie it into the front. And then I work my way all the way to to the front of his head. Again, just sectioning off, going through the head, making sure everything is even, everything is nice and square. Here lately in the shop, man, we've been playing like lo-fi jazz in the shop. I'm trying to create a more relaxing environment in there. You know, and try to cut down on some of the hip hop music and stuff like that. I think it's been working. Any suggestions, you guys let me know what you guys do, or let me know what you guys like what type of environment you guys like in the shop when you go. So now I got a 3-guard on. I'm just gonna take that 3-guard all the way to almost to the ridge, and I'm gonna flick out at the end. Because I know it, I'm gonna go back with clipper over comb and tie it together nicely. This is an older gentleman, so he don't really get a ball fade or anything like that. So he just want a nice little 3 on the sides. And this is kind of before I kind of put these clips in the wrong order, but I blow dried his hair and kind of push the hair to where I kind of think he likes to style it. So we clipper over comb, giving the hair a nice shape, giving it a nice shape, laying it down, making sure it lays down. It don't have too much weight on it. And as you can tell, it's beautiful, man. I didn't really record me putting the styling gel in there, but I used a matte clay, and I just swooped it over to the side, put that clay on it, and it was pretty much a done deal. He loved the haircut. He liked this transformation. And man, we love what we do, man. Peace out, man. Like, share, and subscribe.